Jerry's Tech Corner, where I make tech easy for you to understand. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 3 best apps by Google for photo or photo editing. So before we get started, please smash the like button and subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So the first app that I want to recommend to you is Google Snapseed. So Google Snapseed is a great app for photo editing, for professional photo editors who wants to go on the move, who wants to edit photos. So I usually recommend Snapseed. So in Snapseed, over here it's just a page where you can tap anywhere to open a photo. But if you need help, you can choose a tutorials. Tutorials will teach you how to edit photos through Google Snapseed. Classes to edit photos as well. That's why I really suggest this app for photo editing. So I can just tap anywhere to add a photo. So for example, I've chosen this photo. It's a photo of my game in Among Us. I can choose my last edits of how I edited my photo for quick editing. I can choose different type of filters here. So after I've done, I can now head to the tools section, and in tools section there are a lot here, but I'm not going to review everything because it might take lots of minutes and you might go doze off. So I'm just going to show you a very this cool feature. You can adjust your photo brightness, you can adjust the contrast, and more, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows, and warmth. So after you did it, you can just tap this tick button, and over here you can add frames, text, other filters as well, selective, expand, crop, white balance, curves, details, and more. So after you have edited your photo, you can export it, you can share, or you can save this copy, or you can export as a JPG photo, or you can create a copy and save it in a folder. So after you save the folder, it will go to your photo, you can go to your gallery. So this is Google Snapseed. So let's get into the next app. The next app I'm about to introduce to you, I think all of you are familiar with. It is Google Photos. So in Google Photos is a cloud area where you store all your photos securely in your Google account, so you can access this in your phone or your computer or your tablet. So once you open Google Photos, it's actually another photo editing app that I want to introduce to all of you. So for example, this is my tortoise here. It can give me recommendation, as you can see down there. Fix the lighting. I can cast this photo to my TV. I can add this photo to my favorites, and I can do more of this photo. I can see the location of this photo, where was it taken in. I can see how much storage I've got it in my phone. I can delete it. I can use a slideshow. I can print it as well. So as you can see, it got quick suggestions, fix the lighting, so Google Photos will automatically fix the lighting. So after I fix the lighting, they asking me to press and hold to compare original and the same. But I'm not going to fix the lighting. But in here you can tune your image like how I did in Google Snapseed. I can enhance the image, change the filters to warm or to cool. So for example, enhance. I can crop the image to where I want the image to be. So I just want to copy, I just want this photo only. I can reset it to the original size. I can adjust it. I can change the brightness, the contrast, white point, highlight, shadow, and more. You can read here. Skin tone, tint, warmth, saturation, blue tone, pop, vignette. And in filters, I can change the filter of the photo. And in more, I can edit the photo in like Snapseed, which is I show you in the last app that I've introduced. And I can edit the photos in any third-party app. So I don't want to save this photo. Discard. So in Google Photos, you always need a Google account to back up your photos as well. So this is Google Photos. Now let's get into the next app. The next app from Google that I want to explain about is Google Photo Scan. It's saying you do not need a Google account to save your photos. You just need your access to the camera only. And over here, so what is Google Photo Scan? So Google Photo Scan is to scan photos from the past that is old and you do want to keep on your phone and you want good lighting in your photo. And remember that this app uses flash, so you need to be cautious about that. So in Google Photo Scan is actually not a photo editing app. It's just to enhance your image to look brighter. So it will start using your flash, and I'm supposed to move this circle over the dot. Wait for it. Move it to the other dot. And as you can see, there's an arrow that will guide you to the next circle. As you can see, now my work is being processed. So when I open it up, and look how beautiful it is. So you do not need to worry about the glare that comes in the photos from your flash. Over here, I can have a quick editing. I can rotate the photos, adjust the corner, share this image, delete this image, and others. As you can see your recent photos here. I can also add the beauty effect filters, or I can remove flash from when I'm taking my photo. That's it for this video. I do hope you really find these apps really useful for photo editing and video and photo taking. Please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot into growing my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!